Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? We are given f of x plus 2 equals x squared plus 7x plus 15. How can we find f of x? Have you spotted the answer? If yes, you can drop it in the comment box. And let's solve this problem step by step and in two different ways. Let's consider the solution. From the questions, we have f of x plus 2 equals, looking at the right hand side, we have a quadratic equation, but here we cannot factorize this because if you have 5 plus 2, so this equals 7, and 5 multiplied by 2, this equals 10. The product does not give us 15, it's only the sum. Again, we can still consider 4 plus 3, this equals 7, and 4 multiplied by 3, this gives us 12. So none of this equals. Even if we consider 6 plus 1, that gives us 7, and 6 multiplied by 1 is also less than 10 and 12. So which means we cannot factorize this. Let's see how we can now solve it in a manipulative ways. Suppose I break this thing down as x squared plus, if I call this 4x plus 3x. So this gives us 7, and the product of it gives us 12. So therefore, I'm going to add 12 with this, then plus 3. So 12 plus 3, it gives us 15. Therefore, we have f of x plus 2 equals x squared plus 4x. If I bracket this, and also we have 3x plus 12, I bracket this also. Then I'm going to add plus 3 separate outside. So by factorizing this completely, we have f of x plus 2 equals, what is common here is x. Factoring it out, we have this as x plus 4. Then plus, taking out 3, we have x plus 4. Then plus 3. So here we have x plus 3, then multiply by x plus 4 plus 3. So this is a complete factorization of this. But here I want to make sure that this domain and each of this one is having this domain. So what we do is just little manipulation of this. We have here as f of x plus 2 equals, if I change this to x plus 2, then plus 1. This also gives us x plus 3, and I'm going to bracket this. Again, we have x plus 2, so here is plus 2. I'm going to bracket this as well, then plus 3. So next is, I will be replacing every single number here, which is x plus 2. Anywhere I see x plus 2, I'm going to replace it with ordinary x, since I need f of x. This gives us f of x equals x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2, then plus 3 outside. So next step is, we have f of x equals, let's expand this out, x multiplied by x gives us x squared. Then plus x multiplied by 2, that is 2x, plus 1 multiplied by x gives us x, plus 1 multiplied by 2 gives us 2, then plus 3 outside. So the final step on this is f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus x gives us 3x plus 2 plus 3, that is 5. So this is a reduced form of this equation. We reduce it from f of x plus 2 then down to f of x, and we got x squared plus 3x plus 5. Let's see how we can solve this in another way. Consider this as second method. We are given x plus 2. This is the easiest way to solve this without trying to manipulate this thing. We have x plus 2. If I replace x plus 2 here with, let's say, u, for instance, then let's make x the subject of the formula. We have u minus 1. On getting this, we are going to take the square of both sides, as we have x squared equals u minus 1 squared. And u minus 1 squared can be written as u minus 1 multiplied by u minus 1. So here we have x squared equals u minus 1 in 2 times. This gives us u squared minus 2u plus 1. Also, if I multiply this x equals u minus 1 with 7, we have 7x equals 7 bracket u minus 1, and this gives us 7u minus 7. So this brought us to the conclusion that, so I've gotten some terms at the right hand side. X squared has been gotten and 7x has been gotten. Let's try to replace everything back in the question. Hence we have f of u equals, for x we have u squared minus 2u plus 1, and for 7x we have it as 7u minus 7, then plus 15. So next step is we have f of u equals, we have only u squared here, we write it, then here is minus 2u and this is 7. We have here as 5u, then plus 1 plus 15, that gives us 16, then minus 7. So we have here as f of u equals, this is u squared plus 5u plus 16 minus 7. So this gives us, alright, so there is a slight mistake here. So this is going to be u minus 2, u minus 2. So this is u minus 2. So we are going to effect everything to be u minus 2. Alright, we have f of u equals u squared plus 3u plus 19 minus 4. So we have f of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 5. So the mistake before was, instead of x plus 2, I use x plus 1. So making x to be u minus 1 instead of u minus 2. And here is the correct answer. Is the same thing with the first method that I used. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.